everyone, we are live at Croda. This is day 3 of In Cosmetics, and we are capturing the best of innovation. And we are here at Croda to understand what is their latest innovation in skincare. So tell me, what is Croda bringing in cosmetics this year?
Okay, well, I'm in charge of new launches for Croda Beauty Actives, and in 2 years in cosmetics, we are launching two active ingredients. The one is aimed to reduce skin fatigue and stress in order to prevent from premature skin aging. So this product is Zenakine. Zenakine is a post-diabetic neurocosmetic active ingredient that helps alleviate cortisol damage, and it boosts melatonin into the skin, and melatonin helps to regulate circadian genes and also longevity genes, so that it can help to reduce skin fatigue and fatigue in general. And also, it's one of the first ingredients on the market with instrumental testing showing that it can have a good impact in our sleep. So by acting both on emotions and also on sleep quality, it helps prevent stress-induced premature aging.
Well, that's wonderful. Well, skin longevity is on the rise. It's not going anywhere. I'm so glad that Croda is launching something that means we can have the power, the variety, the amount. So whether you're a mass brand, whether you're a masstige or a prestige, I think now you can have this ingredient. So tell me more about the story behind Zenakine.
Well, Zenakine is a biotic neurocosmetic active that helps to alleviate cortisol damage into the skin. So, as you may know, people are facing exertions and stress, and this has an impact on our skin beauty. So, Zenakine helps to regulate circadian rhythm locally, but also it helps to produce mediators related to positive emotions that helps to reduce fatigue and also promote good sleep.
That is so important. I think we constantly live in the era of stress, and like we have hectic work life, hectic personal life, and like we all need that the touch of neuroscience in our life. And we don't mind aging. We just want to go for healthy aging. And I think actives like Zenakine actually can help us achieve that. So brands out there who want to actually develop a formula that can impact a wider variety of consumer, I think Zenakine is your choice. Let's go through like the clinically proven claims, because as you know, if it's Croda, it is clinically proven. So let's get into the clinical.
Yes. So Zenakine has been substantiated through three clinical independent studies showing that it has an impact on positive emotion as it helps to relax and unwind. And it also helps to reduce fatigue, permanent fatigue or work-related fatigue. And this is the first time that we have an active ingredient on the cosmetic industry with instrumental measurement on sleep. So we provide results showing that Zenakine helps to promote good sleep, to prolong sleep as well, and it also helps to recover upon waking. And by promoting all these neural benefits, it also helps to firm the skin and enhances the skin resilience against physical but also emotional stress.
That's wonderful. So I am floored by this ingredient. So I need to know more, and stay tuned with me. We are live from In Cosmetics. This is Rinki with Rinki in collaboration with Joint Covalo. We are bringing you the best of In Cosmetics. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I'm exploring furthermore of the Croda ingredient. I have quite a few favorites. I've been 15 years formulating with Croda ingredients, and yet they never fail to amaze us. So they not only brought one but two ingredients for this year's launches. Let's hear the KeraBio in the other story. See you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, we are live at In Cosmetics, and I'm here with Croda. We are discussing KeraBio Croda's latest innovation. So tell me all about the different kinds of claims that the brands can make. And is it true that it is the first bond building ingredient available in the market that you can use in the formulas? So a wide area of brands now can use it.
Yeah, absolutely. So bond building is a huge trend, and there's been lots of products on the market that are making claims around home building, but no one is really addressing the deep structural needs of hair by repairing the keratin within the hair fiber. So a lot of the solutions at the moment are offering temporary repair. Of course, we have Olaplex who invented the category.
100%.
Yeah.
Kudos to like the one and only Olaplex. But I think the wider market, the mass consumer also needs solution. And I think that's where Croda can really change the game.
Yeah, and K18 as well, credit to them because they came in with a biomimetic angle that really consumers loved. That, you know, the K18 is within the hair and they can replenish that. But really, until now, there's been no ingredient solution on the market. But now Croda is the first. We've developed KeraBio K31, which is that biomimetic bond builder that can recharge keratin at the molecular level and elevates hair strength beyond that.
Well, that's amazing. And is it animal derived? Is it vegan? Is there a story towards it?
Yeah, really good question. Because we've used biotech, we can actually make a vegan keratin. So this exactly replicates human hair keratin.
Oh my God.
But from a vegan source. Because until now we needed to use wool to have keratin, so an animal source, or we had to use vegetable proteins to closely match the composition of human hair. But now we exactly replicated the keratin within human hair.
Well, that's really amazing. Let's understand if the brands out there they want to put this into their next big innovation. What are the possible kind of claims they can make or to make out of it, and what kind of different clinicals are behind this?
Yeah, it's a really good question because the story's there, the biotech, the biomimetic angle, but really what consumers deserve is for their hair to be repaired and recharged. So we have a vast array of data for this. First of all, we can show that KeraBio K31 penetrates into the hair. We have fluorescence microscopy to show that.
That's wonderful.
Then we have a peptide binding study, which shows a hair keratin and KeraBio bonds within the hair keratin. So it's actually binding to fat within the hair. And then we have what really consumers want is that strength. So we have cyclic fatigue data, which shows that KeraBio K31 actually gives 100% stronger hair compared to the leading commercial bond builder.
Oh, that is amazing.
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
what kind of percentage of inclusion in formula are we talking here?
A really good question. So all our testing at the moment has been done at 0.5% active
Really?
KeraBio. But we're actually trying to look at lower levels now as well. And we are hopeful because we have such good performance at 0.5% that we're able to reduce that even further, especially when you consider this can be used in formulations that are used, shampoos, conditioners, leave-on. It's a really versatile, easy to formulate ingredient. And then consumers can use this in their everyday hair care routine. And then for more intensive treatments when they want that extra level of repair.
Well, that being said, we do not come across much of the hair care actives, but the amount we get in the skincare. So I'm really happy that Croda has brought out this wonderful active KeraBio because I think in future, hair care is the next skincare. Thank you so much for joining me today, Helen. Lovely to talk to you. We are live at In Cosmetics. This is day 3. Stay tuned. In collaboration with Joint Covalo, this is Rinki with Rinki at Croda stand. See you soon in the next stand. Thank you.